crying? Oh, do you have a cough? Do you have a small cough? Huh? You feel okay? Oh, okay. How about this morning? You feel okay? Yeah, you're feeling. Oh, really? Oh, you have a cold too. Oh, you have a cold. Yeah. And then what? Huh? Where did we go yesterday? Where did we go yesterday? Did we go out yesterday? Huh? Did we go out yesterday? Huh? Where? Where did we go? Huh? We went out with friends. We went out with friends. Yeah. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy yesterday? Did you have fun? Had fun? Huh? Oh yeah? There are some kids too, right? Did you play with the kids? Did you play with the kids? Huh? Oh, okay. Mommy's gonna change your diaper first, alright? Alright? Cause it stinks so bad. Huh? Okay? Alright.